Well, hello guys. My name is Christian Romero, and we're going to be doing sections 3.6, problems 2, 3, and 4. So let's get right into it. Problem 2, right? We're going to be using theorem 3.8 to prove that these two angles are congruent. So let's take a look at problem 2. So as you see here, right, we got to justify this statement that these two angles are congruent. All right, let's take a look at theorem 3.8. So it says, if two lines intercept to form a linear pair of congruent angles, the lines are perpendicular. So that was a little bit hard to understand, so let me define a couple of words so you guys can comprehend better. Okay, linear pair, what does that mean? Well, that is when two adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. If you didn't understand that, well, I'm sorry, you need to retake all, geometry again because you're doing very bad. Okay, and then let's also define perpendicular, okay? Perpendicular is a line that bisects another line creating a 90-degree angle, okay? So let's take a look at the problem again, which is right here. So you see right here, this would make, give me a minute, okay? This would make a 90-degree angle, remember? The L, okay? So theorem 3.8 justifies that if these two angles are beside each other, right, and this line comes and cuts right through, all right, you will have a 90-degree angle and a 90-degree angle. And also, don't forget that this whole line right here, right, is bisecting a circle, thus leaving you with a 180 angle, see? 180. And if you come and cut it in half, let's say, you will have 90 on this side, 90 on this side, thus making it 180, okay? Now let's take a look at problem 3. Here's a little bit of a hint. It says angles 4 and 5 are complementary, okay? So this is the problem. Now let's enlarge it for you guys. Here's the hint that I was talking about. Let's read it again. Angles 4 and 5 are complementary. Well, some of you may not understand what complementary means, okay? So complementary angles are two angles whose measure have the sum of 90 degrees. Okay, like I said last time. Okay, like I said last time, remember the L? That's a 90 degrees. And also a hint, when it has this little small L, you can see, it means that it's a 90-degree angle. So if you come and you cut right in it, right, this angle will be, let's say, 38, and then this will be, you will take 38 away from 90, and it will give you whatever this is. You see what I'm saying? And yeah, so that theorem 3.10 proves that these two are congruent. And let me read you the theorem 3.10 right over here. So 3.10 states that if two sides of two adjacent acute angles are perpendicular, then the angles are complementary. See? So complementary, that means that they equal 90 degrees. Once again, these two angles will equal 90 degrees. And also a hint is this line right here. That means that it's 90 degrees. So if you're in a test and you don't know what's going on, you take a look at this line right here. Boom! It should trigger right in your head that that's 90-degree angle. Okay, guys, let's move to the last but not least. Number 4. Okay, let's enlarge it for you guys so you can see better. Okay, so here's a hint. Angles 1 and 2 are right angles. Okay, angles 1 and 2. So the theorem I used to prove this statement was 3.9. So let's take a look at 3.9. And here it is. If two angles are perpendicular, they intersect to form 4 right angles, okay? We review what perpendicular meant, and in case you forgot, well, let's retrace our steps. A perpendicular angle is a line that bisects another line creating a 90-degree angle. So, here we have two lines, right? It's bisecting each other. You see what I'm saying? Here's a line, and it cuts right through it, right in the middle, making a 90-degree angle. But this time, it's not just making 1, but not 2, but 4 90-degree angles. You see? Like I said, you see this, you know it's 90 degrees. So, if you recall what I told you, this will be 180, and if you add this, it will be 360. So it's a circle. and you're cutting right in the middle. You see what I'm saying? And you're cutting again, which it will be as if you were dividing 360 by 4, right? Equaling 90. So this angle is 90, and if you know that if this angle is 90, the opposite angle will be 90. 90, and this will be 90. And to check, you can go ahead and add all of them, and it should give you 360. If it doesn't give you 360, then that's the wrong answer. So once again, let's review the theorem. 3.9, all right? 3.9 states that if two lines are perpendicular, then they intercept to form 4 right angles. Remember, 4 right angles. A right angle is a 90-degree angle, okay? Well, guys, it was nice talking to you. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'll see you again in my next video.